The latest GeoStudio release increases model accuracy, automation, and accessibility. GeoStudio 2025.2 introduces improvements to the GeoStudio Python scripting API, reinforcement definition for stability analyses, and 3D geometry creation tools, as well as expanded language support and high DPI display compatibility. Let's take a look at what you can do with the key features and improved functionality in this GeoStudio release. GeoStudio's Python scripting API now allows for the mesh to be queried at any Cartesian coordinate, which enables more precise data extraction and analysis. Additional supporting documentation is now available, including new example Python scripts for calibrating material parameters, modifying geometry, and optimizing slope geometry. Together, these improvements provide greater control over automating workflows and greater assistance with learning this relatively new feature. GeoStudio 2025.2 includes a new plate capacity input for both 2D and 3D limit equilibrium analyses with reinforcement. This input allows for the assessment of plate bearing capacity in order to account for potential structural weaknesses at the soil structure interface. The plate capacity input is available for anchors, nails, and geosynthetics. Sweeping cross-sections in GeoStudio 3D can sometimes lead to unexpected shapes or errors. GeoStudio 2025.2 includes additional sweep options to simplify the path curvature and to lock the profile orientation. These options provide greater control over the sweep operation and allow for greater flexibility for handling more complex sweeping scenarios. Previous versions of GeoStudio have suffered from scaling issues when being used on high DPI screens. These issues have been resolved with the new high DPI support in GeoStudio 2025.2. This eliminates the need to manually adjust the screen resolution to ensure a readable GeoStudio user interface. GeoStudio 2025.2 includes improved language support with the introduction of a Japanese version of GeoStudio, as well as enhancements to the existing languages available in the user interface. Additional work was completed on the new graphing technology introduced in GeoStudio 2025.1. This work resolved previous bugs and enhances graphing performance. Finally, GeoStudio 2025.2 includes 3D performance improvements, which include resolving bugs associated with the 3D mesh view. These new features and improved functionality are now available in GeoStudio 2025.2. Visit MySequent for the full release notes. If you have any questions, please contact the GeoStudio sales team or submit technical questions through our online support portal. Thank you for watching and enjoy using GeoStudio 2025.2.